Hey everybody, Kristen here. As you know, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. And today I'm gonna share with you a crazy easy recipe. We're gonna make Crockpot Salsa Chicken. This recipe comes together using chicken and some pantry staples, and it delivers so much flavor and it feeds a ton. So let's get started. Starting with 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, place them into a crock pot. Season with 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, flip, and then season the other side with taco seasoning as well. To this, I'm adding in 1 can of black beans that have been rinsed and drained. Feel free to use pinto beans. And 1 cup of frozen corn kernels. You could use canned corn that's been drained as well. Topping that with 2 cups of red salsa. Use any variety you like. Just keep in mind the heat level for those with sensitive palates. That's it. Pop the lid on the crock pot, and you want to cook on high for 3 hours or on low for 5 to 6 hours. Once the chicken has cooked, you want to remove it and place it into a large bowl and then shred with 2 forks. Add that back to the crock pot, and here's the secret ingredient. We want to add in the juice of 1 lime. That's just going to brighten everything and make these canned goods taste so delicious and fresh. Give that a stir. And that's it. You can serve it over rice, top with cheese, make burritos, however you like. It's one of the easiest, tastiest recipes you'll make. Go in for a bite. Get some of the chicken and the beans and the corn. I love this over rice, but it's great in wraps. You can use it any way you like it. So good. The chicken is tender. The lime juice just wakes everything up. It's really incredibly flavorful, and it came together almost effortlessly. You guys are gonna love this one. And for another crazy easy recipe, be sure to catch out my next recipe where I walk you through how to make Instant Pot chicken tacos. Until next time, happy cooking.